Today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi joined several global leaders to pay tributes to Japan's former Prime Minister Shinzo Abe at his state funeral in Tokyo. He paid floral tribute to the former leader. Japan began a state funeral for the assassinated former Prime Minister Shinzo Abe on Tuesday. His widow Aki carried his ashes into a Tokyo hall where thousands of mourners gathered. The ceremony is considered controversial as it has seen public opposition over the huge costs incurred and also because state funerals are reserved for the imperial family. This is only the second time a politician is getting a state funeral. Recent polls show that around 60% of Japanese are against the event. The former Prime Minister reshaped Japan's foreign policy, including setting out a bold vision for a quantum leap in ties with India. Earlier on Tuesday, PM Modi had met his Japanese counterpart Fumio Kishida and underlined the late Japanese leader's contributions in strengthening the bilateral partnership as well as his vision of a free, open and inclusive Indo-Pacific region. Shinzo Abe was Japan's longest-serving Prime Minister and one of the country's most recognizable political figures, known for cultivating international alliances and his economic strategy. Before travelling to Japan, PM Modi took to Twitter to say, "I am travelling to Tokyo tonight to participate in the state funeral of former PM Shinzo Abe, a dear friend and a great champion of India-Japan friendship." In another tweet, he said, "I will be conveying heartfelt condolences to Prime Minister Kishida and Mrs. Abe on behalf of all Indians. We will continue working to further strengthen India-Japan relations as envisioned by Abe-san." His tweet read, 67-year-old Shinzo Abe was shot dead while making a campaign speech 3 months back in the southern Japanese city of Nara. His accused killer targeted the former leader, believing that he had ties to the Unification Church, which the attacker resented over massive donations his mother had made to the sect. India had announced a one-day national mourning on July 9th as a mark of respect for Shinzo Abe.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.